Under the fridge, man. We installing the fridge right now. You know what I'm saying? You know my boy Steve over here. This is amazing.
Yeah, I'm gonna come here with this one.
Yeah, what? Yes, sir. This is an art show, brother. Exhibit your art. I love this shit. Yeah, man. Go ahead and on up there, bro. Yeah. Monsters under the fridge, man. We're putting the fridge together now. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful artist, the first artist. You know what I'm saying? He from up top. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got to bring him down to the home base. Yes, sir. You see, I'm telling y'all, bro, I really handpick these artists, bro. Like, this is a certain palette we going for, bro. This is not no cheap art. Y'all come here and spend some paper today, make sure y'all got y'all motherfucking wallets and y'all discover cards and all that. You know what I'm saying? Yes, beautiful art, bro. They said the stage wouldn't fit, but I'm gonna tell them the stage will fit, right? I said right here.
Yeah, they show you.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, the sound house of the wall.
Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm about to tell you. This is hard, bro. Real tough. I got a ladder. We still at like 30%, bro. Watch, we gonna crank it up to 100 in the next 15, 20 minutes. We ain't on inventory, we about to put the walls together. Bringing that firepower right now, bro.
It's monsters under the fridge, man. It's going the fuck down today. Dro, it's going the fuck down, bro. It's the vlog cam, man.
It's a beautiful day outside. It feel good. It ain't too cold. It ain't too hot. The venue about to be packed out. This our first event together. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling fucking fantastic. I ain't gonna lie to you, Brody.
This looks straight.
Yeah.
Y'all having something right here too?
Alright, we better work on a pair of socks, man. Come on.
Let's work, let's eat.
Hey, man,
Take another one.
It ain't no more. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for when it's more.
Vlog. That it. What the fuck it do? Tell them
Monsters on the fridge, man. We got some totems. We got some keychains right here. And we got some stickers going out from my book. Bound. Make sure y'all check that out.
Okay.
And then we got some posters. Make sure y'all check this out, man.
Come on, man, we putting the menu together.
Yes, man.
Come on, you're not gonna start over here.
juices are you.
I hit the cup for 90 days, I hit the wine. Someone pick on me back. Her on the last control you back. Ass trying to control us.
Green's my favorite color. That's a good game.
So what you working on, bro?
Come on, man. We doing the one-on-one for my man Travis. We putting it together, man. Under the Friends team.
Okay.
That would be cute. Yeah. Yeah. Right there and just sit on it. Pull your legs closer to you. That's cool. Okay, ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. One more.
Alright, tell us how y'all doing at the pop-up.
Doing well. I'm supporting our son, supporting his entourage, along with his friends, his colleagues, you name it. So this is a true treat. Definitely.
How do you feel?
Love it. Love all the creativity that are coming out of the young artists. Beyond what you can imagine.
Oh,
The
definitely.
music was art, and then of course you can't look at the juice. If I had one in my hand, I would. But beautiful. I love the story behind some of the art, the exhibit itself, and then what they're presenting today.
Almost finished product. It's almost there.
Right.
Alright, founder, come on. Pop your shit, man.
Got the juice, man. You see us, man. Coming alive, man.
When we gonna nat that on the diamonds? When we gonna nat that? When we gonna nat that on the diamonds, bro? You know what I'm saying? I got some baby shit on it. We go nat that.
Mine's under the fridge. Why ain't I thinking it?
Yeah.
You gotta come this way where I can see all my fault.
Maui, wow. Thank you. Wait, don't move yet. Okay. Okay, man.
see a plate? Can we see a plate or something? Can we see a plate?
You wanna see a little?
Lord,
I'm gonna get you a little preview, a little something. These just the hors d'oeuvres. I mean, they get them for free. You know what I'm saying? Jerk salmon, deviled egg. Man. We got a little sweet potato fries to go along with the mini wings. You know what I'm saying? We got those are life of the party wings. And then we got the yerk We got to yerk them up, you know what I'm saying? And we got the yabobs. Feel me?
You recording me, recording you. I said you recording me, recording you. Talk to me, talk to me.
Yeah, I am. Hey, y'all. Check this out.
What you think about that?
Very inspiring, very colorful.
Inspiring, colorful.
Inspiring, colorful. You know, like the best. Power Chanel. Power.
Hey, jam out then. Hold up. I see you.
I'm not Nigerian, so I don't know how they be doing that. For the Jamaicans, you know.
I see. Where the juices at? Somebody give him the juices.
Look at that.
I see you. Fly shit.
Yo, Stilo, nice to meet y'all, people. There's 3 of my pieces right here. You can split. This one is called Copycat Killer. You know what I'm saying? Be yourself, everybody else is taken. This one right here, it's called Mayo Doesn't Have Dairy. So it's like a common thing that black people think mayo got dairy in it so they can't eat it. But nah, straight eggs. You know what I'm saying? The last one, we got 12 disciples. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Trope, shout out Trav, eat monsters under the fridge, you feel me? Hell yeah.
Where we at?
In the city, man. We in the motherfucking hot. You know what I'm saying?
We love the fit.
Right now, man.
Love the fit. We out here at this event.
Monsters under the fridge. Really outside though. Like, oh, where is he going?
Let me give you a little taste test.
Yeah. That shit hitting on.
It's fire.
Already home, man. You got your juice. Pull up. Look at that. I already drunk mine, but I got it's so good the bottle is in my pocket. That's how good it is.
Respect, 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 respect.
Know what it is. Got the juice, man. Take it off. On up.
You got yours?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sweet legacy.
Got some juice right there, bro? Yeah, man. Yeah, you got the juice.
My brother, you know what I'm saying?
You wanna eat? Huh? You wanna eat? No.
Tell him something real quick, bro. Do an analog, put him in. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Feel good, bro. I'm tired of this shit, but we doing it. Monster in the fridge, drink. VA Glow, shit going on, bro.
I like that.
We gonna start these performances off. You gonna know it? You gonna know this shit. Rock it. Yo. Whoa. Hey. Yo. What? I'm hating on every game. It's all good. I'm a lazy man. Sit back and bring a friend. Black truck ride around the city. I feel like a president. After you ask us what it pays for, I'm just sitting here and come check. I know nothing today to come. I walk in the house for 5 years. Only thing known to us is fake clothes coming straight from the motherland. Only thing real with me is fake clothes. Shit look like my brother now. I used to be inside my validation. Now I see it's irrelevance. Now I just been inside my 2 lines go down to the letter X. I'm just outside, no watershed, if I had to do it. Stand with brands, my mom said how they pay today. I lied, I said that's from the music. Got my bitch hot in the hot fries, got me hot for her Cupid. Dotted lines on water, get turned around, everybody get like I knew 'em. Top 5, not 2 to 5, low rise, by noon on 9. High rise, coming feel good, that guy see you, they keep giving me sex eyes. Cause in the back mind, that's real talk. This time I might need to get off. So take the back and hit one up and make you feel drunk. I ain't no long vine. They ain't up, not throwing no ones to shoot with this a thumb up. Thought he does this cause of the gun. This shit really gon' call shots. I used to sit on the bench, how did I end up on next to the all-stars? So much chicken sitting at the dinner table, but we ain't eating that bon charm. Time for it, wanted to catch me popcorn. High fashion I can never afford. I start walking outside that store. Store clerk, bottle water, of course. My neck get next to the lawn. When I walk in the house from 5 a.m. All you know, the us is fake clothes, coming straight from the motherland. All get real, me is fake clothes, till I learn my brain now. I used to pay inside the validation, I see it's irrelevance. Now I just pay inside about 2 lines going down the letter S. I was just outside doing what I should have, I had to do it. Here's the grand from mom say how I get paid the day I lied. I said that's from the music. Yo, make some noise real quick. My phone going hurt. I be forgetting my lyrics all the time, barely. We hear that shit. Let's get on the beat, girl, hold up. Whoa, it's a whoa, got trust. Whoa, who got trust when I blow up? I know it's gonna happen, so I got trust. Oops, just been bag at lunch. My bitch walk back that bike. I never need no handout. My OG gave me some guidance. He talk my name, he made you walk the play, clear hands with some pirates. Thought it was sweet, cause I be pushing on the brain. You know how Jakey, back in the day like Twitch.
Alright, so that was Monday. Y'all make some noise for Burrow real quick. And so I appreciate y'all. Alright, so next we got alright, so next we got Lucky Now is coming to the stage. You know what I'm saying? Y'all. What's up with y'all tonight? How y'all feeling? Y'all niggas drinking some good juice here? Getting some good New Glow
Hey, just in case y'all can't see me in the back. Hey, you heard? Every time I share, I make this, I turn on chair. Bad little bitch, you like a fan. I get it design. I cherish the day. These niggas pussy won't run from ground. That bad yeah, shit looking scary. Movie like, pop, we making the movie like flames. Spin on the house, and I feel like again. She bad, I'm on the shoe. Don't know what I want. You ain't friends. You ain't drinking, I'm feeling too fake. You off, I feel like wait. You see, you here for me, baby. Ain't trying to say you you know what I'm trying to see, get drunk on the high, you know I'm trying to creep before someone, you know I'm trying to speak with watching his back when they hop out the video, stuck in my life, every day, we got shut out sleep, keep it going, it's not my sleep, I gotta be if you want, I'm shooting that girl, I'm fucking, I look like Muhammad, I feel this time on you, that's what we gonna shoot, this nigga, don't get you started, that's what you mean, that's all, typically make a nigga back off, and hop on something, remember I channel, that's why I'm a bitch, but you always like all these videos on me, they be shining, flaws, see it, and nigga, that's fine, bro, just on my nigga, that's fine, just calm, just don't fucking ring my time, hey, I'm there every time it's scary, I'm niggas got time on cherry, bitch, smell like a fan, get it, this nigga, I cherish the bag, these niggas, I pussy on me, my money's not, niggas say, go on there, that, doing shit, get scared, pop out, spin on the house when I do it again. Trash bad, I'm on this food, the more I want. You ain't friends, you drinking, I'm fast, I'm fading, I'm cutting you off, I feel like Vegas. You was here for me, baby, come here, I'm trying to see you get naked. Hey, turn me the fuck up, man. Hey, y'all niggas ain't eat my food yet? Yeah.
niggas ain't get no wings yet, nigga, y'all tripping.
You trying to hit them raps, I ain't trying to eat no food, nigga. You trying to hit them raps, we had some. We had some. Man, I'm trying to hit them bars, nigga.
Shout out to my pro track lotion for putting this shit together, man.
We trying to bring some new shit to the DMV, man. Turn this shit the fuck up, man. Can I see some lights or something? Turn some flashlights or something on, like, lights on. Y'all don't even gotta record. Throw some flashlights on. Make it look alright. To the ground. With your vice, nigga, fuck all your advice. I do anything. She keep me up at night, you know I'm stuck up in the streets. Instead of trying to treat you right, cause I fuck with you, bro. I got trust in you, bro. You know, rush it, bro. What the fuck? I'm on system, everything on to me. I like the conversation. We on go, feelings get discarded. If they make her started, got it like right where my heart is. Now I'm cold, so my heart is in my heart. Like, get me posing. Don't go too long, you gon' turn it back on me. I told you everything. Don't keep tonight. Don't go too long, got you flying colors. They take me out the street, high, take you out to eat. Me and Brody pop out Ricky, used to shoot each other's sneaks. Always rings from guys of eyes, hope nice to my peace. Where you at? I'm off the charts, baby, you know what I need. Off the ring, off the pills, with your vice, keep them families for running. Get them on my side. Money feels right, you know we can do it. Money feel like we feel like a paradise. Won't play this shit I sing, I need another pair of eyes. They gon' shake my heart, cause I was never scared to die. And they try to say it's love, but it's all I have to die. Man, thank y'all for fucking having me. Go get some fucking food, I ain't cook all that fucking food for nothing. What the fuck is y'all talking about, baby?
Let's get straight to the point. Let's do it. Y'all already know what the fuck it is. Yeah. 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 Okay. I'm ready to get y'all there real quick. Yeah. Bitch, I'm really hurt. I say real shit and every word shit. I got niggas who don't play by me. They put you on shit. I'm this type of bitch to shake my ass. I just got a fucking fire. I can't put my dick in words. I'm really that bitch. Damn, I deserve some hits. Fuck it, I want one mistake. I don't fuck with bitches how I used to. I still wish you would. I feel just like these niggas. This is not a fire drill.
I've been balancing on this chair. This motherfucker wobbly. This ain't no joke right here. But I speak that real shit, man. I come from Montgomery County, Moco side. Shout out Trav, he put me on. Shout out Diego, you feel me? Shout out everybody doing their motherfucking thing. Let's rock.
Yeah, you know I take slow money over no money. 7 white girls and snow bunnies and got their nose running. I ain't need bring up a happy home, come get your home from me. I'm on racks, but if she want it, I stay with like Paul Bunny. This shit here is the quiet tape. This shit here cost 60 million. This shit here 3 bands to play. Motherfuckers think I'm playing it safe. I only serve the one boy. This shit beautiful shit. Breaking this shit down, let's get inside my cue. Just know when I fly out west, I'm trying to see what's really the best. I put niggas on their feet and I get bitches out they mess. And I ain't fucking with none of you burn hoes, you better go find a nest. I ain't fucking with none of you broke niggas, you better go find a check. I know sometimes I come off arrogant, but half this shit is my heritage. This shit runs so deep inside my blood, that's why I can't stand bitch. The doctor opened up my heart, you won't see no fear in me. So all them damn excuses that you got, I'm tired of hearing. When I look into your eyes, I get inspired. I'ma do whatever I gotta do for you, even when I'm feeling tired. And I'm grateful, she be tweaking me like, hold up, bitch, I tried. Now for real, like I really tried, I promise you I tried. Do I stay or do I leave? It's getting harder to decide. I'm tired of playing victim. When I'm hurt, that's when you cry. It's even worse whenever you lie. Locked inside my inner thoughts, they feel like suicide. You realize got me out here lonely. It's supposed to be you and I. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all feel me on that? Y'all feel me? Come on. Yeah. This one, we just gonna pop it out. Left, right. Yes. Yeah. Can I get a 2-step? Yeah.
Hey, now we about to turn this joint up right here in the middle of it. How y'all feeling? It's not straight. It's not straight.
Check, check, check.
Check, check.
Now we can just do 2. Come on, we about to rock out. Let's finish it.
Check. Yeah, how everybody feeling? Good.
Everybody turn this shit up real quick.
Yeah. You can see it.
Bitch, I'm back, I thought I was mine. I just hit sauce, she said she ready to go. That shit right. That shit right. We did it right, now she keep on calling. Latino face, your face like coach. Why's that? It's good to get the fuck up, I know I. 1,000 miles to the west or something. Blue city, blue coverage, bad bitch, need 2 on. Slim waist with a pretty face. The pots just hit the count, I don't need to say. It's just day in my me and sticks, we hit them roads, and I don't need no frame. 120 swerve the traffic, claim I like the wind. Tell the niggas in the wild, I feel like it's just hell. Yeah, I know it's been a while, still what you say, yeah. song. 1,000 horses to the wheels. Lay on my heart and get it back to me while you still. I get up in it, get to swimming, they be still. CFB like OBO, but then Drake really kill. You don't see that shit for them, you know there's love for me. You might see me in Buffalo, if it's by the mill. In Houston like a rocket, think I'm taking off for real. See it came red, 1,000 horses to the wheel. I put the pedal to the metal, do the dash, babe. 1,000 horses to the wheels won't come in last place. Riding in the fast lane. Told me that she never been to Paris, so I put her on the last lane. Bitch, I'm back, I thought I was mine. I checked it, so she said she ready to go. That shit right. That shit right. Beat it right, now she keep on calling. Latino French, I'm playing like coach. Cause you all take it the fuck up on the line. 1,000 guys to the they gon' try like humble. Yeah, that bitch keep calling me. Gon' have to change my number. He gon' spend it like a come. Need my brain, no time to wonder. She wanna leave the city, I might take her to a corner. She like diamonds, I like gold. All the bitch I play with pros. Talk about hush, I'm like ho. 1,000 horses to the wind, so you know it's never so. If we didn't win, shit, I guess we'll never know. 1,000 horses to the wind, shit, pedal to the floor. Bitch, I'm back, I thought I was mine. I just so she said she ready to go. Ask you, ask change your life alone. Who you with, no shit on soon. Ain't been home since late afternoon. Time get hard for you. Dead in my pride for you. I'm tryna be soft for you. I ain't afraid to dissolve for you. I swear this shit hard for you. It's hard to get back to you when I'm off the moon. When I'm off the moon. Said I'm off the moon. Forget everything that I said, I was off the moon. Tell me what should I do when I'm off the moon. I'm trying to get back to you, cause we don't run. When them demons come, I got you wrapped around my finger. I get my way, they don't come around. I'm just expressing how I'm feeling now. It's true, I like the crazy. Damn, baby girl, I love it like it. Tell the truth, you really save me. Tell me that you love me, baby. It's hard to get back to you when I'm off the moon. When I'm off the moon. Said I'm off the moon. Forget everything that I said, I was off the moon. Tell me what should I do when I'm off the moon. I'm trying to get back to you. Is you in, baby? I'm not trying to get in, baby. I'm trying to stick in, still I'm trying to fuck with your friends. Yeah, fall in love with me regardless. All these secrets make me nervous. Feeling deep within the surface. Told you that I'm never flexing. Show me life I'm really living. That's not exactly how I feel. What I say? Told her that yeah, baby. The backseat of the Benz, baby. She said let's make it win, baby. It's just a feeling you've been missing. Hope you know that it's unconditional. No other bitch can keep my interest. All you resisting while you changing clothes. Holding tightly while I'm hitting. Shaking and trembling, system overload. Tell me nobody else can get it. I tell it's hard to get back to you when I'm off the moon. When I'm off the moon. Said I'm off the moon. Forget everything I said, I was off the moon. Tell me what should I do when I'm off the moon. It's hard to get back to you when I'm off the moon. When I'm off the moon. Said I'm off the moon. Forget everything I said, I was
bag and be like shit right now. They both be in that mode.
trying to get back to you.
I'm about to roll up.
And we all come
Keep my heart out, it ain't regular food. They pull up on me, niggas boo boo boo. Shots in the air, we break through the roof. No face, no case, so it's never proof. You ain't gonna tell you how I'm at the move. You want the jeans, let's get it loose. You want to leave jeans, let's make it a movie. Wait a minute. excited. And I like titles, you might be fuck that little bitch in the back of the truck, she be fishing for me like mice. I got Gemini energy, she gets the both of me, that's why she feels all the tighter. I got hot with me, tall as an Eiffel. They admire me, I feel like Michael. Don't let your vibe make me viral. Yeah, that moment you when it's survival. Okay. Wait a minute, okay, when I was at the don't trust me, no. But I know they still gon' move on my say so. Yeah, with a trip like this, I could you tell me, no. We got a whole lot of shit different if you let. I'm loving this hand. No matter what I would you do, when you step to the way. She guessing whenever I need it.
Somebody, anybody that's going through anything, you know what I'm saying? This is for y'all right here. You get what I'm saying? Like this type of shit, we trying to build community, keep this shit as one. You get what I'm saying? So let's go. We're gonna knock his last performance out. See the ball. See the ball. Somebody can I come grab the champagne from him? If you my dog, fucking money you never could fall. Switch on the 20 once you through. Niggas behave, but fuck what we bought. Niggas jump out, hit that 50. Nigga get hit, don't get that car. He trying to nothing, they get that car. Both hands in the shit in the game. They play back, now we gon' sit in the house. Suddenly splash, we lock the house. We don't bring the box in the truck. Say they want bucks, they'll work my low. We catching the factory, launching the sauce. In the blood, they time some shit got left on front. They keep talking about 21. They keep talking about 21. Don't let check the score. Still in traffic, got low key blunt. You my dog, fucking money you never before. Switch on the 20, what you do? Niggas jump off, hit that. Nigga get hit, don't get that. Get a nigga hit OTC with mom. You my dog, fucking money you never before. Switch on the 20.